Hi, this is Vince Preston with Metro Mobile RV Repair. Today we're going to talk about replacing your dining furniture. First thing you want to do is be careful to make sure that your dining area is not part of the structure that holds your RV together. A lot of times these things have holding tanks, water pumps, hot water heaters, central heat units are built under them, and the furniture is built over it. So you want to know what's underneath it before you go ripping it out. If everything's okay and you're able to remove your dining area without doing any structural damage, my suggestion would be, first of all, to go to the manufacturer of the RV or motorhome that you have and see what other avenues they have to offer you for the limited area that you have to put in your dining area. If you're just going to put a table in, I would suggest putting fasteners on the legs of the table so that the table doesn't move in transport. And also, you don't ever want to put chairs in your RV that have rollers on them. It doesn't work out well in transport, and it tears up a lot of stuff. So just be careful with the aftermarket application that you decide you're going to go with, and have it installed, and make sure that it's fastened down so that it doesn't move in transport. And thank you.